Hi, I'm Jennie. I try to introduce Korean food. Today's Korean food is Gamjajeon, potato-jeon. Potato-jeon is, usually the potato is, we have a lot of potato in summer. So, it's easily get potato in market. So, I prepare some potatoes. It is good for snacks and for lunch. So, these are ingredients for gamjajeon. This is some cheese, and this is potato, as you know, and some carrot, and this is a chili. So first, actual traditional gamjajeon is we grind all potato, and then but it is very difficult and takes time. So usually nowadays we use this kind of knife. So easily cut like this. So I will do now to show you. Maybe you will have this kind of knife in your country. If you don't have, just cut and slice very thinly. Okay, can you see? Like this. So slice potato very thinly and put all together. And if you want to make more crispy gamjajeon, first rinse this one with cold water. So I rinse it. So you can see this is starch from potato. So wash it 2 or 3 times. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, and drain water. So just leave 1 minute about drain this water. Okay, put it here. So wait some minutes. And in here, I think put some, because of the color, so I need this carrot. And also cut. Okay. If you like carrots, you can put some more. But if you don't, just put some of carrots. And this, you know what is this? This one is chili, the spicy chili. Because we bake this jeon with oil, so if you put some this chili, and the taste is better, and you can eat a lot more. So I will cut little pieces because this is spicy. So cut. Okay. And cut into pieces. And also if you don't like a spicy one, just you can use the other vegetables a little bit. Okay, put it here. Now you mix it. Okay, and here put some salt, little bit of salt. And some pepper, and also a little bit. And mix it. And here, so if you have this jeon powder, so I will put here 2 tablespoons of jeon powder. But if you don't have this kind of jeon powder, it's flour is okay. So, and mix it. If you put this jeon powder or flour, so make it the potato stick together. So you can easily make a shape. Okay, so now turn on the heat and pour cooking oil, enough cooking oil. And then when the pan is enough hot, that time you put this sliced potato on the pan. But I think my pan is not easy to make 감자전, but I'll try. Spread this sliced potato. And when the edge of the jeon is turned into a little bit brown, so it's nearly cooked. So that time, and then I will put some cheese in the middle of the jeon. So you make the line in the middle like this, because I will fold half. So this cheese put here like this, and then like this, fold this one. I think better to put some more potato. So next time I'll try one more time, and then at that time I will put more potatoes. Okay, now I will try one more time. That's right. I think this one is better. Okay, here, there's some more oil. When half cooked, you make a line like this because it's easy to fold. So put some more cheese and fold. Okay. Oh, that is nice color. And smell is also very good. Okay. Okay, now this one is too big, so I will cut in half. Okay, I will cut in half. You can see inside the cheese. And I put here before cook, I put some salt, but usually we use sauce for soy sauce. So if you have soy sauce and some soy sauce and sesame seeds, some sesame seeds. Okay, that's it. This is Gamjajeon. In Korea, we have a lot of potato in summer, and also nowadays we have a lot of time staying at home. So for snack, you can make this one. It's not difficult, so you try it and have nice meal with your family. Okay, this is Gamjajeon. Finish. Bye. See you next time.